Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a progress bar on CapCut PC. So once you have your video here, you want to go ahead and add a text, default text, and make it through the whole video. Now on default text, you want to go ahead and enter 2 underscores and change the color to maybe somewhat gray, a little bit of gray, just like so. Now you want to go ahead, scroll down until you see transform and turn off uniform scale. And now let's make it wider. And also let's adjust the height a little bit. And maybe let's do it something like so. We don't want this to be through the whole video. You can always add more underscores to make it longer. And just like so, we created this gray. Now we want to click on this default text and go ahead and copy it and paste it again here. Now on the second clip, we're going to change the color to red, just like so. And now we're going to go ahead and create a compound clip on the second one and the compound clip on the first one. And now on the first compound clip, we're going to choose mask and choose horizontal. And now we're going to make it to 90 degrees. Let's go ahead and toggle this at the start. And now drag this one till the very, very start of this. Now you want to go ahead and add a keyframe on the position option. Add a keyframe. Now drag this one till the end of the video, and this one also till the end of the video, till the end of the progress bar. And now you have another keyframe, and that's how it looks like. So now when you play the video, the progress bar is here. So yeah, guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.